All right, it's exactly 7 o'clock. I just woke up. Look at this view. Oh my God. I slept in the Jeep. It slept like crap, but oh well. I might potentially be hiking above the clouds. How sick would that be? Hopefully no storms today. Hope I don't die. Probably would have been smart to get up even earlier, but whatever. Look at how high up that peak is. It's crazy. So I'm not sure if these peaks, like what these peaks are. For all I know, that could be Huron Peak, what I'm trying to hike, but that is so high. That is so intimidating. I'm going to be hiking at least that high. Still driving on this road. I hope I didn't miss a turn, man. It sucks how long this is though, but look at how high up that peak is right there. I wish I knew what these peaks were. I have no cell service right now. All right, well, sweet, I'm going the right way, but damn, this is taking forever. You gotta cross a river. Oh my God, this is crazy as fuck. All right, I made it to the trailhead finally. It's 8:12, way later than I was expecting. That took forever to go down that gravel road, but man, the views are beautiful. I love this part of Colorado. Like, oh my God. Top of the mountain is right there, I believe. So I got a ways to go. It's so far up there. I am so lucky that I was able to drive this far because not everybody did. And they had to like add miles to their hike, so I got lucky. All right, it's 53 degrees, 46 dew point. Definitely more humid than it's been lately. Immediately out of breath and like immediately I feel like I have like a headache. It's like the altitude, man. Living in Florida has ruined my acclimation. Pine trees smell delicious. So different than anything in Florida. It's crazy everywhere smells so different. Just unbelievably beautiful territory. Landscape. I literally don't know where the trail goes now. So weird. Seriously, I have no idea if I'm on trail or not. I'm actually kind of pissed off. Well, I'm 100% positive I went off trail. Really mad, actually. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna try to find the trail. So I just kept hiking and just hoping to find the trail. And I just kept going without finding it. And it kept getting more stressful and more stressful. So eventually I thought of the idea to take my drone and fly that thing up and hope that I could find the trail with it. So that's what I did. You can see me in my red shirt down below. And I just kept flying it higher and higher. I could not find the trail, and then suddenly, there it was. I got so happy to find it, so grateful that I had my drone to help save me because I did not have cell service. I could not find it with the map. So thank God I had the drone, but I was also pretty frustrated to see how far away I was from the trail and also pretty dang embarrassed that I even did this in the first place. Since I had the drone in the air, I figured I might as well get a good view of the mountains surrounding me. Yeah, so this sucks going off trail. Like, I think it's probably just like way steeper, you know, doing it this way. Heart rate is 150 BPM. More mosquitoes than fucking Florida for sure out here. Dude, these mosquitoes are actually absolutely insane. There are so many. Every like 4 seconds, I take like a 1 second break. Oh yeah, I think that's what I was looking for. This is so relaxing and it's like a cheat code. Got a decent view, so time to enjoy a snack. Pinwheels are amazing. But so is this view, oh my goodness. All them people just turned around because they say the weather's bad. They're telling me I shouldn't really go much higher, but I've never turned around on a 14er ever. Just kinda wanna keep that streak going. Cute little chipmunk. Oh my God. Just an unbelievable view. This is insane. That is the top. Very intimidating. I am not very close. I think I got like 2,000 feet still. It's a lot of feet. Will be one heck of a feat. And quite sweet and neat. You're gonna have some sore feet. Okay, I'm done. So much snow. It's a little past 11 and it's now 62 degrees. It's heating up. It's getting a little warm in the sun, honestly. I gotta take off some layers. Just leaving my sweatshirt there. I hope it's fine. Everyone's so friendly up here. I love 14ers, man. Make friends with everybody. Y'all got the shared, similar, common interest.
Switchbacks till you get right up there.
Oh wow, that's specific, thank you. It's so weird, it smells like straight up weed, so hardcore. Yeah, I just crashed my drone, so sad, it's not working anymore, and I really wanted footage from the top more than anything. But whatever, the views are amazing. I gotta keep taking breaks because I am just so out of breath, it's crazy. I'm above 13,000 feet for sure. And yeah, I'm just really struggling to breathe. It's such a love-hate relationship, these things. I love the views, it's so rewarding, but oh my God, I hate dying like this. I guess that's what makes it even more rewarding. At 14,000 feet, there's only 61% of the oxygen available back where I live in Florida. So I'm not quite used to this. These kind of look like storm clouds coming in, which is not ideal. Just kind of bummed now. I don't want to die and I don't want to turn around either. There's the top. I see people up there, but the clouds do not look good. Man, this is beautiful. But it's getting dark. It's very scary. Oh God. Ask pretty much anyone who likes these mountains in Colorado. The general consensus is to be off the summit by noon. It storms pretty much every single afternoon in the mountains, so you don't want to get hit. This is bad. I'm getting actually rained on. I haven't heard thunder, but I know everyone would suggest I turn around now. I need to hurry if I'm gonna go, but I need to eat too, and I don't want to turn around now. I'm so close to the top. All right, sun is coming out. I'm very excited about that. I'm very nervous about this storm, but this is a good sign.
Well, it was nice knowing you.
You as well, Chris, thank you. These look exactly like the storm clouds in Florida, before the lightning comes down. This is absolutely crazy and stupid of me. I'm so friggin' close though. Oh my God. Oh my God. I might make it without dying. Oh my God. Don't know how much time I can spend. Oh my God, look at the marmot. Holy shit. Well, if he's safe, I'm safe, right? Oh, this is the top. I'm a few feet away. Woo! Yes! Oh my God, this is one hell of an accomplishment, considering I am at the verge of death. Oh, what a beautiful view, every direction. Oh my God, I can't believe I did this. I should probably just get the fuck down immediately. But, I don't know. I haven't heard any lightning. That's good. Or thunder. Would look a little cooler if there was actually sun everywhere, but oh well. I just felt a raindrop. That is La Plata Peak. That's Mount Elbert, I believe, tallest mountain in the state. I want to know what that one is. I'm not sure. That one looks huge. I just love this view. I just, no joke, heard a little bit faint thunder, so that scared the shit out of me. I got goosebumps and I'm getting the fuck down. But I did it. I conquered this thing. Wish I could enjoy the summit a little bit longer, but I do not want to die today. This is so bad. I saw the lightning flash. Loud thunder, not good. So I'm 300 feet below the summit, and it's 65 degrees, 43 dew point, storm coming in. Fuck, I need to get the fuck down. That was so loud. That was so fucking close. Oh my fucking god, what am I doing? Measuring the fucking temperature like an idiot. Oh god. God, that sound makes me cringe up here. I mean, I love thunder, but not when I'm 13,500 feet up. Look at that. That looks like a dinosaur. Holy shit, dude, they're so camouflaged. I did not see those. Props to them for blending in. The noises this thing makes. Hilarious. I prefer the noise of this bird over the fucking thunder that never ends. I'm getting lower. It's like little John Yin Yang Twins. That song was made to save me. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. From the cloud to the ground, to the ground. The lightning strikes all around. The lightning strikes all around. I think I'm good. I think I'm in the clear. Thank God. This is amazing. It's like majestic. It's just insane. Gives me goosebumps. This is actually insane. I had put my sweatshirt here on the trail. Did not think no one would mess with it, but sure enough, someone stole it. And just like that, the storms are gone. Blue sky, sunny ground. Not bad. Man, if the weather would have just stayed like this all day, it's all good, but dang, this is beautiful now. Oh my God. So I found where I went the wrong way. This is where it all happened. I was going like this, and I just went like that. But I was supposed to go that way. Pretty embarrassing, but also kind of an easy mistake. Look at these fucking horse flies, dude. Bitch! So I'm almost done with the hike. Look, it's actually about to storm again, I think. Crazy, man. It's like Florida out here. Well, ain't that a sight to see right there? I mean, this is a good sight to see too, but yeah, I'm glad to be done. That was thunder, I think. So thank God I'm done. But it is cool how like easy this hike actually was compared to some other ones I've done. I mean, I've done hikes that you just feel so dead at the end. Like you just like want to die. You're just so exhausted. You're like, did a 20-mile hike. I've done 14-mile hikes. So yeah, whatever. This is amazing. It only took me that long because I was trying to film and shit. So it would have been a lot quicker. What a great hike. Beautiful views. Not too hard. Too bad the storm came and ruined it, but oh well. Peace. Oh, and too bad I lost my drone.